prizes for Esteban Noble. Now I would like to call from nursery first rankers from nursery M. Harry Award 400 out of 400. From LKG.
Slowly open your eyes.
A blissful evening to everyone. As we know that we have gathered here to celebrate Winter Day celebrations. On this joyful occasion, I would from 10th class, Sharwani got 507.25 out of 600. From 9th class, from 2nd class, D. Vihan got 496.5 out of 600. From 3rd class, C.H. Pranav got 595 out of 600. The chairman of Alphonse Group of Schools and
Series.
from 5th class, T. Sahar got 577.5 out of 600. From 6th class, J. Vasishtha got 528 out of 600. From 7th icon, M. Vidya got 556 out of 600. From 8th, 9 out of 600. From 10th class, M. Sharmani got 507.25 out of 600. From nursery, M. Hanitra got 400 out of 400. Encourage them with your claps. From nursery, M. Hanitra got 400 out of 400. Out of 400. From LKG, R. Ishi Reddy got 397 out of 400. From UKG, K. Akshara got 399.75 out of 400. From first class, M. Sarthik 7.5 out of 600. From 4th class, K. Shreyansh got 5 on. T. Sri Teja got 562.75 out of 600. From 9th class, K. Sahiti From White Sharwani of 7th class who won 69th SGF district. Next, I invite Sankarsha of 8th class. Next, I invite Latrik. Invite Sankarsha of 8th class who selected for under 14 SGF volleyball district level held at Karimnagar. SGF tournament. Karate. Now I request our honorable chairman sir to distribute the prizes for INTT toppers from 8th icon. Now I would like to invite Celebrate Children's Day. It is the day to celebrate kids and their importance in the world. As we celebrate, let's remember our respected chairman sir, principal madam, teachers and elders who guide us every day. Let's also promise to be kind and help those who in need, making our world once again beautiful. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Respected chairman, sir, principal ma'am, and teachers, and also all my dear friends. My name is Ahas. I am from 5th standard. First, I would like to wish you a happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much, and children fondly called him as Tata Nehru. Now I request Honorable Chairman Sir to give a valuable message.
Good evening, all of you. Yeah, how are you all students? Very good. What is the highest of the school? Anybody got 580 plus marks? Wherever you want to take, no problem. Karimnagar, Hyderabad, or Bangalore, Vizag, Delhi, wherever you want to take, even up to Dubai, no problem. Okay, this is your money, no? Wherever you want, I am ready to take. But you need to bring very good marks. Whoever gets 50% plus, For them only, all these are allowed. Sports, games, tours, field trips. Now these 2 months we will focus even on the field trips. All the teachers, every teacher, one field trip you will plan. Please. All Telugu, Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social, any class, any subject. Every teacher wants you take the children to the field trip. Neighboring anything, shopping mall is there, bank is there. Our Polas Agriculture University, 9th class children we can take to our Polas Agriculture University. Even 8th children also can be taken to Agriculture University. So now this is the time will give you chance for all the activities. Try to participate. Now this month end we have science fair. All the teachers, not only science, social is there. Every teacher, 7 teams are there. Please get some projects and we have to participate in that. Our projects should be selected for the state this time. This is a challenge one. All the teachers, please you talk to your principal, get some idea and we'll go with nice projects. Enjoy yourself. All 10th class children, please prepare yourself very nicely. Okay? Aim for top marks. You should be the topper of Secretarial districts. GPA means many children used to get, we are unable to identify who is the topper. Now this is mark system, no? Everybody will come to know who is the Jagitial district topper. You can name, sir, I want to become a Jagitial topper. For that you need to get full out of full in all the subjects. Okay, right. Wish you all the best, children. All the teachers also please take care of the children. Thank you all.